So, hello everyone. So, in today's topic, we are going to be discussing one word substitution. So, one word substitution is one of it simply means that a word or a sentence has to be replaced with a single word, a single so one word substitution is one of the integral parts of vocabulary. So it simply means that a sentence has to be replaced with a single word. Let's take a look at some examples. For example, we have okay. Let's take a look at some of example. So this is omnipotent. So it means one who is all powerful. So omniscient. So this means one who is all knowing, someone who knows everything. So we have omnipresent. So one who is present all over. So we have different type of one word substitution. So we also have like we also have we also have um okay, for example, let's say logophobia. So logophobia is so one who is scared of talking to people or with people. So there are many more. So in English language, we have over 250 to 400 one word substitution. One word substitution. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you.